In previous video we made orthophotos with the reference lines, 2 elevations, 2 sections, 2 plans. Now we have them in the right place where the point cloud is, but now we have to copy it into one place. We set world coordinates, go to top view, and go to datum layer, draw a datum line horizontally. Now we have datum line. It will be our reference line into which we will copy our orthophotos. Let's switch off orthophotos and which are unnecessary for now, and pick first one elevation. We need to switch into this E1 UCS. Now it's switched. Pick reference lines, pick orthophoto. Now it's on the same layer, and copy it with the reference point. The reference point will be this at this line, so let's take 1 point. Now it's copied by this line. Let's switch to world coordinate, go to top view, and paste. It's pasted with the reference line, and let's snap it into this datum line. Okay, like that. So first one is copied. Let's do the same for other orthophotos. Switch on another one elevation, switch on this, it's UCS, pick line and orthophoto, copy with the reference point, pick point on that line, go to world coordinates, switch on previous elevation, go to top view, and paste, snapping into that datum line. Now it's on the same level, because all the reference lines are on the same elevation. Let's do the same for sections. Switch off our elevations and pick our sections, copy with the reference point. Pick that point on that line, go set world coordinates, switch on our previously made elevations to see we have to copy, and paste with a snap again to this datum line. Now S1. Let's do the same for S2. Hide them and turn on only S2. Switch our UCS into S2. Pick line and orthophoto. Do the same exactly with the reference point. Pick that point. Show previously copied things. P1 was not copied, but S1 was copied. Let's go to world coordinates, top view, and paste our orthophoto. Snap it against now. Now we have 2 elevations and 2 sections. Go into sheet view, set this world coordinates active UCS, zoom in a little bit. Let's find out, is it really at the same place? We can check it by drawing a few lines. For example, the door step, draw a line and copy into other places also to see if the heights are in the right place, if it fits. Okay, lower top of window, this top of roofing. I'm not sure about doors because they are arch, but lower part of profile and step should be shown good. And you see it's right in a good place. Step, low part of profile, top of window, top of this roofing, everything fits. No wonder it's good, because it's used with the exact reference line. Let's copy plans. So for plans, we have made fit marks. So we can copy this raster with the fit marks. It's necessary. So let's pick its UCS. To get it in the right direction, let's pick our raster and fit marks and copy. Simply copy and go to world coordinates, to active UCS view, paste it somewhere here, and copy another one plan. P1 can be hidden, P2 can be shown. Pick this P2 raster. Do not forget to switch on UCS, pick everything you need to copy and copy it. Switch to world coordinates, go to active view and paste this plan also here. P2 is switched off. Let's switch on everything according our layers, and we can align those fit marks. Each one will be at the same level. So now it's aligned. In plans, let's see from layout, it's better visible. Let's move it a little bit tight to each one, a little bit to the left. And in a sheet view, we can see that if you need to copy any object, you can use our fit marks as a reference point, and you will be sure that it's in the right same position, so no worries. This is how we do copying into one place, copying of orthophotos. Don't forget to use reference lines, and everything will be copied in the right place.